Yeah, you can get it, and DEEZY ain't new to this. I'm always updated like Bill Gates' computer is. Cause I'm one of them guys that's always first in the line. You're in reverse, you're in rewind, you're gonna get left behind. It's kinda obvious, one step ahead movements, I'm on top of you. I see you cooking the govers, yeah I see you watching us. R.I.P. MJ, the bitches wanna rock with us all night long until the morning after. I'm the nigga that will always have the last laughter. You bitches calling for me, falling for me, so capture. Keep rolling in the holes like the hair was on the jack.
Like you want it, girl, and I'm down. You can get it anytime, get it anytime. You're looking like you want it, girl, and I'm down. You can get it anytime, get it anytime.
Yeah, at first she didn't wanna speak to me, but now the bitch wants to freak with me frequently. And in my mind I knew she was a fan secretly, cause anytime and any place she would meet with me and give me the upkeep, the what keep, the hella good sucky. 1 minute I was up, then I was down like a bungee. Bigger the bust my nut, then I was done G. Yeah, but it's nothing new, DEEZY does this on the Rex. Every single night a different bitch up in my bed, spreading the legs, cracking the minds like X so easily. Bitches pulling out the tongues, thinking that they're teasing me, but I be thinking in my mind soon that will be pleasing me. And I was more than right, I had the bitch moaning till the morning light. Till my mum walked in and gave a nigga a
You're
fright.
looking like you want it, girl.